Hi guys, welcome back to AHA Korea.
Jiktang Falls, which is located in Cheorwon-gun, Gangwon-do, South Korea, is one of the beautiful places near Gosokjeong. It is 1 hour and 15 minutes away from Seoul by car and 2 hours and 37 minutes by bus. Its height is small compared to other waterfalls, but despite this, it is considered and called as Korea's Niagara Falls because the formation process of Jiktang Falls, which is called headward erosion, is very similar to that of Niagara's. As water flows over the basalt made by various lava units for a long time, weathering and erosion affected the part of basalt to fall along the main stream, creating a stair-shaped waterfall. In this case, erosion is carried out by the falling force of the waterfall, which makes the basalt columns continue to collapse. And eventually, the waterfall's location gradually erodes up the river. This is the reason why it is called headward erosion. And although Jiktang Falls height is about 3 meters only, its length is around 80 meters, which is very long compared to other waterfalls, making it look like a horizontal waterfalls and not vertical. Many fishermen and families visit this place because, aside from being known as Korea's Niagara Falls, it is also one of Cheorwon's 8 famous spots. Located in the upstream of the Hanton River, Jiktang Falls is a waterfall composed of bizarre cliffs and natural straight-lined, oddly shaped rocks. It is unique, impressive, and beautiful. Its water, which is very clear, comes from the Hanton River. It is located just 2 kilometers upstream from the spectacular Gosokjeong Pavilion, which makes it the best place to go to for a summer vacation. The freshwater fish caught here is also famous and is cooked as spicy fish stew. Another good spot is the Taebong Bridge, which is a newly built bridge. Anyone can enjoy the beautiful views from this bridge, and you can also do bungee jumping here. There you go, guys. Thank you again for your time, and I hope watching our video made you feel better. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, just click on our profile picture, AHA Korea, and get subscribed. You can also leave any message in the comment section. Stay safe and Lord bless you all. Annyeong!